What's up, boys? I know it's new for me to add voice audio, but in this video I'll be using an AI-generated audio instead of text because it's boring. In this video, I'll show you some ways to have fun with Roblox physics. Now, without any intro, let's hop in. First, you need a brick with a thin length so you can build a wall with it. Make sure to leave that small gap between bricks. Now proceed with making the wall. Now make a slider so we can destroy it with a ball. I'm using Archimedes 2 to make the slides more accurate. I'll leave the plugin link in the description. I'm really interested. Let's bang those walls. Perfect. The next one is the dominoes game. Make sure to not let the pieces touch the ground surface. I made this just for you. It's so aligned and nice. Yes, SMX is back, boys. I know I'm about to burn my PC, but just in case, don't try this at home. Unanchor my models to feel the destruction. Damn. This looks satisfying. I'm gonna do it again, but I'll flip it this time. It's so lagging. Now for the last one. Which ball do you think will be the last ball to float? Blue, green, red, brown, or yellow?